what's in there.
Are you stealing my purse though, man? Come on.
Get it.
I can't believe he can lift it. He's like, this is my purse. Don't take my purse.
Okay, honey. You're gonna go. Mommy can't let you,
That's so awesome. Get it.
Come on, baby, let's go. Layla.
He's like...
That is a determined little doggy.
Give me your purse.
Look at the door and start barking again. You think Layla is going to get up again?
He's like, where are you going?
That is so cute. Oh my god.
You're so cute. I want you to be my friend. Oh no, he's looking for this.
He's gonna get that open.
You're not gonna get this open. He's like, I'm gonna play with the shoelaces. Where is it? Where is it?
That's just the cutest.
Where is he gonna go with it? Where is he gonna go?
It's like, I'm taking this back to my kennel and I'm gonna look through it. Will you be my girlfriend?
Don't eat it.
That's okay, all my purses are crappy. It's not like it's a Gucci or anything.
Are you sure?
Is he licking the bottom of your shoe?
Yeah.
Probably. I work at a restaurant.
No.
Tell me no.
No.